Hi everyone! In today's video I am going to use some tissue paper as a second layer to create some texture on some pages. I really like working on these book pages. This book was really, the paper's really nice and thick, so it's quite sturdy. But I just have some glue here. Permanent PVA adhesive, dries clear, remains flexible. It's also neutral pH. So I'm going to put some down. If your glue is too thick, you could always spray it with a little bit of water and thin it down just a tiny bit. Mine is a pretty good texture, but what I want to do, similar to how I use the saran wrap to scrunch up the saran wrap on the paper, I'm going to tear this into pieces and scrunch it up a little bit to create a textured layer on the book pages. Okay, so I don't know if it would be easier. I'm actually just going to put my glue right down on my book page. I just have a nice soft brush and I'm just going to start doing this, and since, like I said, it dries clear, I'm not worried about it being really white on the page. And I'm going to try and just get as close to the edge as possible so that I can really fill it up. But now that I have that down, I'm going to take my paper, and I can actually feel the glue just soak right into that tissue paper, so that's going to work well. And yep, there we go. So I'm just going to take small pieces and fill it in, and then what I plan to do is paint on top of the texture. I'm also going to just spray it down just a little bit, really get it in there. Okay, I'm not worried about it being over the edges. You can always trim it back, but I do like that, so you can still see some of the writing underneath that, but then you have some areas that are quite a bit thicker. So I'm going to do a few more pages, and then I'm going to set these aside and let them dry, and then we will take a look at them and decide what we are going to do on top with some paint colors. Okay, so my papers are all dry. These two dried really quickly. It was like under an hour. This one took a little bit longer, but it was wetter and had more glue on it. So what I want to do, because of the texture, I think what I want to do is add just a little bit of paint with my brayer and add some color to them and see how they're going to look. So this one, I'm not even going to worry about taping it down. I can hold it down while I'm doing it, but I have this turquoise green. It's a very pretty color. I'm going to put just a little bit on my brayer. I don't need too much. And then I'm just going to, might add just a little bit more, but oh, I really like that. So the areas where that tissue paper is thicker, So that creates a really nice little, you get all those nice little details from where that tissue paper is just bunched up. So I'm going to leave this one like this. Ooh, I do like that color. That's a really pretty color. So I might actually just take that color and I wanted to do a little stamping design on it just to also see how it will look. And what color do I want to use? Let me grab a cup. I think I'm going to, where's my gold? I think I'm going to use some of my gold. Just a little bit of that. I will be pouring the excess back into the bottle, but I'm just going to use, I know I've used this before, but I do really like the circles that the toilet paper or paper towel roll makes. And I want to do, oh, that is very pretty. It kind of spreads out really nicely on the tissue paper. And you could do all sorts of, like once the gold dries, you could do more designs. I may actually fill in the circles with a paint pen. But I do like that a lot. I just love this gold. This gold is amazing. So, okay, do I want to go over, I think I'm going to go over this one, just one more. There we go. Yeah. Oh, I just love that gold. So I'm going to save this. I will just cut off that end and be able to reuse that. And I'm debating on how I want to do this last one. If I want to do another another little bit of color, or if I want to do, kind of want to see, I'm going to put some color down and then just lightly do some gold on top. So this one we're going to do this way. And again, I'm just going to use my brayer to get some really nice texture on this one. And then I still have a lot of paint on my brayer, so just to use it up, I have this is just a white page that I painted white, and then what I'm going to do is just do this, and look at that. Use up that paint, and you get a little bit of extra texture on another page. And I might actually have enough paint on here to do one more. Do this one so we can use these pages. Yeah, look at that. So I can just spray that off and clean it up a little bit, but using that excess paint, just created 2 more pages. But I'm going to do this. Let me see. How do I want to? I had a paintbrush that I used with my gold, and it was pretty much dried. Actually, I'm just going to use I just have a little palette knife, and I'm going to just gently put some of this gold paint. Ooh, that's really pretty. Just hitting, lightly rubbing on that texture from the tissue paper, and just getting a little bit of that on there. Look at that. That is really pretty. The tissue paper was just such an easy thing to use, but it gives me some ideas for just layering other types of paper. And you could let this dry. I'm doing this while my base coat is still wet. I kind of like how it's kind of smushing and mixing in that turquoise with the gold. Do a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to take some pictures of these. That was super fun. I think I might make some more tissue paper pages, just with this awesome texture that you can get from it. It's just so great. And oh man, I don't know if I want to do gold on everything, but I could see doing just a little bit of gold on this one too. And then this one, the gold started following some of the areas of where that tissue paper was crinkling. But yeah, I could definitely see doing another like stamp design. You could cut your paper towel roll down and do different shapes with this. I might take some straws, or I want to do a straw video with stamping, and I may embellish a little bit more on this one. But wow, love that gold. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you tomorrow.